Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into the search option in the bottom bar. And here at the top we can just enter the things that we are looking for inside of the company. So for example, we can enter tasks, and here we have all of the tasks that are in our company, or we can just add project and we can search for this. Then it's going to show up our projects. Also, we can use filters, some predefined things, tasks assigned to, and then we can just enter the name of the person who we want to find out what kind of tasks are assigned to him. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.